English step by step. Pronunciation and spelling, vowels, a and a, step 2. In this video, I'm going to go through the answers to a practice exercise. You can find the practice exercise in the step 1 video, so make sure you watch that first. So let's go through these answers and pay attention to the spellings. Number 1, culture. So there you have the standard spelling U. Number 2, club. Again, spelling with U. Number 3, bus. Number 4, Monday. Now this is the irregular spelling with O, as in Sunday. Monday. Number 5, money. Again, the pronunciation is A and the spelling is irregular, O. Money. Number 6, calculate. Standard spelling for this vowel, A. Calculate. Number 7, class. Again, standard spelling with A, class, as in pass or passport or glass. Number 8, basket. Number 9, mask. Number 10, natural. So there you can see all of these words have the spelling A. So let's look at the sentences. Number 11, he studied the culture of the Aztecs. Number 12, she won a large sum of money on Sunday. So all of these words have the sound A, but you can see we have the spelling O in won and money, and U in some and Sunday. 13, he catches a bus to the club. 14, her umbrella is in the basket. 15, the supper was a great success. So there we have the spelling U for both of these words. So those are the answers, and that brings us to the end of this step 2 video on A and A. This video is part of a series on the sounds and the spellings of the vowels of English. If you like the content of this video, please click like and subscribe, and you can request a lesson in the comments below.